In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Divi Builder video module. The video module makes it easy to add video to your page, whether it be self-hosted video or videos hosted on third-party websites such as YouTube and Vimeo. These videos will automatically resize to the column that you place them in, and you can also add overlay images and custom play buttons as you see here. So I have a basic post here, and I would like to add a video down here between these two columns. So I'm going to edit the page, add the video module, and then we'll jump into the settings. So I'm going to add a new row down here, drag it up, and then I'm going to click Insert Modules and look for the video module towards the bottom of the list. Once you click on the video module, you'll be greeted by the various video module settings, and as with all Divi Builder modules, the settings are broken up into 3 tabs: General Settings, Advanced Design Settings, and Custom CSS. As a general rule of thumb, everything you need to build a great page with the Divi Builder can be found inside the general settings. However, if you want to have more control over the appearance of your module, then you can venture into the advanced design settings, where there are all kinds of different customization options for the module. Now, the video module in particular doesn't really have that many options because we're really just dealing with one square block that comes usually from YouTube or Vimeo. So we really just have one option here, which is to adjust the play icon color, but normally there might be a lot more options here. And custom CSS, if you know CSS, you can also apply custom CSS to the module or elements within inside the module right from this screen. And I have some more tutorials that go over the advanced design settings and custom CSS and how to use those effectively. So I'd be sure to check those out, but in this tutorial I'm just going to focus on the general settings. So heading back to the general settings, let's go over each of these settings in order. First of all, as mentioned earlier, you can host your own video, or you can display video from a third-party service. So in this first input field is where you want to either input the URL to your third-party video, such as a link to YouTube, and you just input the full URL, or you can upload your own video. So I'm going to upload my own video here, and here you can see all the videos that I've uploaded in the past, and so I'm just going to choose one of these. Now you can also upload multiple formats, because certain browsers will only play certain types of video formats. So typically you want to upload both an MP4 and a WebM if you're doing a self-hosted video. And as you can see, I have both versions here, so I'm going to upload them both. And if you don't have a WebM video version of your video, there's a lot of free conversion tools out there. So just Google WebM conversion tool, and I'm sure you'll find one. And once you have both of those uploaded, we can move on to the next settings. Image overlay, this is optional. You can upload an image overlay which will appear over the video, and then it'll have to be clicked before the video can actually be played. But it kind of makes things look a little cleaner, and then you have more control over the image, especially if you're linking to a YouTube video where you don't really have control what the splash image is or what the automatically generated image is. Also, if you are using a video from YouTube, we have the option to generate the thumbnail automatically from the video. And then, so you don't have to actually create an image yourself. It'll generate it from the thumbnail image that was designated for that video, and then it'll overlay the video and create a nice play icon, which, like I said, just a different style, and it can look a little bit nicer. For now, I'm just going to leave this blank, and I'll come back and revisit that in a second. Now, at any time when you're editing a module, you can preview the module by clicking the preview icon here. So if I click this, you'll see the current module rendered inside of its parent section. So this is the entire section, and here's the video module we added. And you can bounce between our responsive design testing tabs, as you see here, to get an idea what your module will look like at different screen sizes. And you can exit the preview here. And so I'm going to save and exit, and then we'll take a look at what we've built on the front end here, just to show you what it looks like. Taking a look at our page, we'll scroll down and see here's the section or the row we added and the video, and I can play the video here, which is just this water droplet. And there you go. And this will look nice in any browser, basically, that supports MP4 or WebM. Now, like I said, you can also use videos from YouTube or Vimeo, and it's really easy to use those. You don't have to do anything special. All you need to do is copy and paste the URL from YouTube and paste it into the settings box. So let's try that instead. I'm going to edit this video, and instead of using these, I'm just going to delete these so we can get rid of our custom video. And instead, I'm just going to paste in a URL to YouTube. This is the full URL. I just copied it and pasted it from my browser address bar, and that's it. And so if we preview, you'll see that this is now a YouTube video. Instead, it's introducing our 2.4s or 2.4 Divi promo video. And like I said, you can also upload an image overlay for that. So if I were to upload an image instead, if I want to change that that standard thumbnail image to something custom, I can do that. So here I've uploaded a custom image, and if I preview, you'll see that the video now has this image overlay, and so you have complete control over the original or initial state of the video. And if I click this, then I can play the video. Now, like I said, if you really like that look of the clean look of the image overlay, but you don't have an image you can use, you can also generate one from the video if you're using YouTube or Vimeo or other self-hosted services. So you just press generate from video, and there it's grabbed it automatically. And now if I preview it, you can see it now. It uses this image overlay visual style with the big play button, and it's grabbed this image automatically from YouTube. So there's a couple different options. You can upload your own custom videos. You can use YouTube videos. And if you use either, you can also upload a custom image overlay, which will appear over the image interface or over the video interface. It'll hide all the buttons and stuff, make it look a little bit cleaner, and replace everything with just one standard play button, which looks a lot nicer in my opinion. So yeah, that's a basic overview of the video module and its various settings.